What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill your invite bar in Monopoly Go quickly and easily. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Monopoly Go app. First, I'll show you how to fill your invite bar, and then I'll show you what your invite bar means. The first thing we'll do to fill it is tap the bottom right corner where it says Friends. Next, you'll tap the green button at the bottom that says Invite. Here's how it actually works. Invite a friend who's never played before, your friend joins the game, you complete the bar and get the big reward. You have to invite 10 friends to get the big reward. If you look at the progress bar here, you'll notice if you invite a couple friends who have never played before, you'll immediately get 20 dice. If you invite a couple more, it'll go up to 60 dice. A couple more, it'll be 100, and then a couple more, it'll be the big bonus. You can tap the orange invite button below. This will allow you to invite your contacts on your phone, or you can tap the blue invite button below. This will allow you to invite friends on Facebook. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope this helped you fill your invite bar quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.